the next thing is this, and I really love this. I already opened it because it's so soft and I wanted to know what it is. It's an Eeyore. Look at it. It's so cute. Thank you to whoever this was. I think it was someone like Caitlin Sparkles that sent me this. The next is this. I am a Doctor Who fan, so this is quite cool. It's an Ood with a clockwork robot body, but the Ood hasn't got its little noodle mouth. Well, I lost my noodle mouth on the way. Okay, so that was telling me where it went. The next is this. Thank you to Jenny for sending me this, but once again, I'm a boy. So that was stuff I'm sending back, and then stuff I'm keeping. The next thing is this cute little Angry Bird Star Wars little plushie. So I like that. I'm keeping that. Thank you to whoever sent it me. Next is this blanket. It smells like it needs a wash. So I'm just gonna put that in that pile. But the next thing is quite some weird stuff. A bunch of clothes. This is actually quite cute. I'm keeping that. And this Design a Friend collection. Empty. Now, I don't know who sent me this, and whoever did, thank you, but I'm a boy.